We will be discussing about longitudinal stationary waves. What are longitudinal stationary waves? Okay, let us consider a tube which is open at both the ends. Basically, an organ pipe. Okay, a tube which is open at both ends. This is the tube which is open at both the ends. Now, if I place a vibrating tuning fork above this tube, okay, inside we are having air column, right? There is an air column. If I place a vibrating tuning fork just above the tube, okay, what will happen? Longitudinal waves will be produced. Now the longitudinal wave, it will travel downwards, okay, in this air column, okay, and there will be reflection of this wave. So what happens is you get longitudinal stationary waves inside this tube. Inside this tube you are getting longitudinal stationary waves. This part will correspond to the antinode and this will be your node. We know node is a point of zero displacement. So zero displacement, so this will be your node. And antinode is what? Maximum displacement. So this is your antinode. Okay. Now, how many loops are formed over here? In this case, there is this half loop and this half loop. So half plus half becomes 1. So in this case, how many loops are formed? 1 loop. Okay. So this is your fundamental mode, or you can say the first harmonic. Why first harmonic? Because only 1 loop is formed. Now, if I look at this another case, okay, here how many loops I am getting? This half loop, it becomes 1 loop, and this one complete loop. So 2 loops. So this is the second harmonic. Why? Because there are 2 loops, or you can call the first overtone. Now what is the formula for velocity of a longitudinal wave? It is nothing but V equal to under root gamma P by D. Okay, this is the formula for velocity of a longitudinal wave. It is nothing but under root gamma P by D. Gamma is nothing but, it is called as Laplace correction. P is the pressure of the gas and D is the density of the gas. So in this case what we are considering is air column. Okay, so P is the pressure and D is the density for that air column. Now again, what will be the formula for frequency? It will be F equal to N by 2L under root gamma P by D. Or we can also write this as F equal to N by 2L into V. Okay. So this is the formula for frequency of longitudinal stationary waves. Okay. N is what? N is your number of loops. Okay. N is number of loops. L is what? The length of air column. P is the pressure of air column and D is the density of air. Okay. So this is the formula for frequency. Always remember here the half loops are added to get single loop. Okay. Here we were having half loop, another half loop. So half plus half, it became 1. That is why it was first harmonic. Here how many loops were there? This one complete loop and this half and half. So total 2 loops we were having. So that is why it was second harmonic. Okay, or you can say it is the first overtone. So this is all about longitudinal stationary waves.